Hello all, in this video we will discuss the SOF International Mathematics Olympiad question paper for the year 2024-25, and this question paper is for class 1 and the paper set is set B. So this is the first page of SOF IMO question paper of the year 2024-25, and this is for the class 1 and the paper set is set B. So the question paper comprises of 4 sections: logical reasoning 10 questions, mathematical reasoning 10 questions, everyday mathematics 10 questions, and achievers section 5 questions. Each question in achievers section carries 2 marks, whereas all other questions carry 1 mark each. All questions are compulsory and there is no negative marking. So let's move on to the question paper. Question number 1. Which of the following objects can both roll and slide? A. A tennis ball. B. A drum. C. A loaf of bread. D. A box. The object that can both roll and slide is a drum, and the answer is option B. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. To which groups does or do a cone belong? There are 3 groups given: group X, group Y and group Z. And option says A, Y only, B, Z only, C, X and Y only, D, Y and Z only. So we have to see to which group does the cone belongs to. So from the groups we can make out that cone is in group Y and group C. Hence the cone belongs to group Y and C, and the correct option is option D, which says Y and Z only. Now let's move on to the third question. Ajay has rupees 65. Which of the following items can he buy? Option A, a flower vase. The cost is 72 rupee, and B, a toy helicopter. The cost is rupees 100. C, a rose. The cost is rupees 60. D, a toy robot. The cost is 85. And Ajay has rupees 65. So here Ajay has rupees 65. So among the following items, Ajay can only buy a rose which costed 60 because he has only rupees 65. Hence, answer is option C. Question number 4. Select the option which will complete the given figure pattern. A says 4 objects, B 5 objects, C 6 and D 2. So let's find out the pattern. So first of all, let's decode the objects into numbers. So 1, 3, dash, 7, 9. Is it correct? If you count the objects, you can find out the series. 1, 3, dash, 5, 9. So what is happening? 1, you add 2, it becomes 3. Then if you add 2, it will become 5. And to 5, if you add 2, it will become 7. And for the 7, if you add 2, it will become 9. So what is the answer? So the option B, which gives 5 objects, will be the answer. So please select the answer option B. So let's move on to the next question, question number 5. There is certain relationship between the pair of figures on either side of. Identify the relationship of the given pair and find the missing figure. So just go through the figures and identify the relations. Okay, and then accordingly fill in the option. So if you carefully look into the figures, you can understand the pattern. From the given figure, you can make out that the both are the squares, and the position of the circle within the quadrant of the square changes. And see, it was in the first, then it moves to the second. Here it was in the triangle was in the third, it moves to the fourth. Similarly, here a circle is given and a square and a circle inside it. So if you change the position of it, yeah, if you change the position of it into another quadrant, you will get the correct option. So answer is option B. So in these type of questions, first you have to find the relationship between the pair of figures and then go to the options and select accordingly. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. There are dash rectangles in the given figures. Option A 4, B 3, C 6, D 5. So we have to find out the number of rectangles in the given figure and choose the options accordingly. So let's count the rectangles. So there is one big rectangle, the second rectangle within the big rectangle, and third one on top of it there is a rectangle. And then if you come into the front part, there will be one big rectangle, the fourth one, and within the set one there is another rectangle, fifth one. Hence there are 5 rectangles in the given figure. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 7. If parrot R is removed from the given arrangement, then parrot dash is fifth from the left end. Option A, yes. B, U. C, V. D, T. So if parrot R is removed from the given arrangement, so you remove the parrot R, and then you have to see from the left hand which is the fifth parrot. So from the left, go to the left side and then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the fifth position, the parrot U comes in the fifth position. Hence answer is option B, U. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 8. Car is parked dash the building. Look into the figure or the picture given. A inside, B outside, C above, D below. The car is parked outside the building. Hence answer is option B. Question 9. Select a figure from the option which is exactly same as the given figure. Look at the given figure and find the same copy figure from the options. So option C is exactly same as the given figure. Please select option C. Question number 10. Which of the following is the shortest? A. Picture of a building. B. Picture of a tower. C. Picture of a candle. D. Picture of a giant wheel. So giant wheel, candle, tower and building. We have to choose the shortest. So to find the shortest, it's very clear from the pictures given. Answer is option C. Question number 11. There are dash more circles than triangles in the given picture. Option A 2, B 3, C 4, D 0. So here first we will count how many triangles are there. So how many triangles? As a cap there is one triangle, below 3 blue triangles, so 3 plus 1 4. And how many circles? If you see the top triangle, there are 3 circles within it, and inside the circle 3 circles, and there is a big circle itself. So equal to 3 plus 1 is 7 circles. So how many more circles than a triangle? 3 more circles than the triangle. As you can see, circle is 7 and triangles are 4. So there are 3 more circles than triangles. Answer B. Question number 12. Which of the following is heavier than a mango? A. Blueberry, B. Lychee, C. Tomato, D. Watermelon. So we have to select the option which says that is heavier than a mango. So this is very easy question. The answer is option D, because obviously watermelon is heavier than mango. Question number 13. Arrange the numbers on the fish from greatest to the smallest. P 8 plus 9, Q 20 plus 2, R 12 plus 17, S 13 plus 5. And option A, P S R Q, B S R Q P, C Q S R P, D R Q S P. You have to arrange the numbers on the fish from the greatest to the smallest and select the options accordingly. So first we will add the numbers. So P, the value of P is 17, Q 22, R 29 and S is 18. So which is the greatest number? 29. And the fish is R. And then after that it's 22, it's Q. And then it is 18, yes, and 17, P. The option is D, which says RQSP. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 14. Which of the following months has 31 days? A. January, B. May, C. August, D. All of these. So option A, B, C has 31 days. So hence answer is option D, all of these. Question number 15. Which of the following abacuses show the number of apples shown in the given basket? And in the options, the abacus is given. So first we have to count the number of apples in the basket, and also we have to know each option denotes what number from the given abacus. So how many apples in the basket? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the ones is 7 ones. Hence answer is option D, which says ones place has 7 balls. So it is 7. Answer is option D. Question number 16. Rashi needs to buy a teddy bear and a chair. How much does she need to pay? The cost of the chair is given as rupees 45, the lamp 30, rocking horse rupees 70, teddy bear rupees 20, duck rupees 20. A rupees 70, B rupees 80, C rupees 40, D rupees 65. And the Rashi needs to buy only a teddy bear and a chair. So we have to calculate how much does she need to pay. If a square is equal to 1 unit, then height of the given panda is dash. A 5, B 6, C 7, D 4. So please look at the picture and then calculate the height of the given panda. For these type of questions, please keep a ruler accordingly on the till the top of the panda or any other objects as per the questions. Then count down the units. So here they say each unit is 1, so you can count accordingly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer is option B, which says 6. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 18. How many tomatoes should be uncrossed to show 7 tomatoes crossed in the given picture? Option A 6, B 5, C 4, D 3. So here the question clearly says that how many tomatoes should be uncrossed to show 7 tomatoes crossed in the given pictures. So first let's see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So till the mark it's 7 tomatoes crossed. So, how many tomatoes should be uncrossed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 tomatoes should be uncrossed. So, the picture will say that only 7 tomatoes are crossed. So, please understand the questions and then count the tomatoes that should be uncrossed so that the picture will say that there is only 7 crossed tomatoes. Hence answer is 5. So 5 tomatoes should be uncrossed so that there will be only 7 crossed tomatoes in the picture. Answer B. Question number 19. The given number line shows dash. A. Counting by twos. B. Counting by fours. C. Counting by threes. D. Counting by ones. The number line shows that from 0 it jumps to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 2. That is counting by fours. Answer is option B. Question number 20. Which of the following options best describe the given addition sentence? The addition sentence is 3 plus 2. A. 4 pencils and 3 crayons. B. 3 caps, 3 clips. C. 3 toffees, 2 ice creams. D. 2 books, 2 pens. So when option A, it is the addition sentence can be 5 plus 3 and B it is 3 plus 3 and C it is 3 plus 2 and D it is 2 plus 2. The addition sentence which describes 3 plus 2 is option C. 3 toffees plus 2 ice cream. Answer option C. Question number 21. Nikita bought the following items. A lollipop, rupees 15, a burger, rupees 53. How much total amount did she pay? A. Rupees 68, B. Rupees 63, C. Rupees 58, D. Rupees 78. So to buy both the items, she has to pay rupee 53 plus rupees 15, which is rupees 68. Answer is option A. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 22. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 frogs in a pond. Two jumped out of the pond. Which number sentence represent the number of frogs left in the pond? A. 7 minus 2 equal to 4. B. 7 minus 2 equal to 5. C. 7 minus 2 equal to 3. D. 7 minus 2 equal to 1. So we have to find the correct sentence, number sentence, which will say the number of frogs left in the pond. So there are 7 frogs in a pond and 2 jumped out. So what is left? 2, 4, 5. So what is the correct statement? Number sentence? 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. Answer is option B, which says the number sentence as 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Question number 23. Kanika has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 caps. Mohit has 4 caps. How many total caps they both have together? A 10, B 11, C 15, D 12. So it is 7 caps of Kanika and 4 caps of Mohit. So 7 plus 4, which is 11. Okay. So answer is option B. Question number 24. Priyanka made the given object using a cardboard. The name of the shape of the object she made is dash. A. Cuboid. B. Sphere. C. Cube. D. Cylinder. The name of the shape of the object she made is cube. Answer C. Question number 25. Karthik has a ribbon of length 9 handspan and Priya has a ribbon of length 7 handspan. Who has longer ribbon and by how much? A. Karthik 3 handspan. B. Priya 2 handspans. C. Karthik 2 handspans and D. Priya 3 handspans. So we have to find who has the longer ribbon length and by how much. Here the question says that Karthik has a ribbon of length 9 handspans and Priya has a ribbon of length 7 handspans. So Karthik has the longer ribbon, but now you have to find that if Karthik has a longer ribbon, by how much it is longer than the Priya's ribbon length. So the 9 and 7. So Priya has a 7 length of 7 ribbon and Karthik has 9. So 8, 9. So 2 handspan longer than Priya. So Karthik has a longer ribbon and with 2 handspan more. Hence answer is option C. Karthik 2 handspan. Question number 26. In a certain week, Rishi ate 5 chocolates, Bhumi ate 8 chocolates and Manav ate 6 chocolates. Who ate maximum chocolates in that week? A. Manav, B. Bhumi, C. Rishi, D. Kansi. From the question, it's very clear, right? So, who ate the maximum number of chocolates in that week? It's Bhumi. Bhumi ate 8 chocolates. Correct? So, Bhumi ate the maximum number of chocolate and answer is option B. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 27. Which of the following activities by a child generally takes the longest duration of time? A picture of a drinking water, B, a picture of boy studying, C, picture of a boy wearing shoes, and D, picture of a boy brushing. So we have to choose the activity that generally take the long duration of time by a child. The time taken by a child for studying is more than drinking water, wearing shoes and brushing. Answer option B. Question number 28. Navya has rupees 50 and rupees 10 coin with her. How much more money does she need to buy the given geometry box? The cost of the geometry box is given as rupees 85. Option A says rupees 25, B rupee 5, C rupee 10 and D rupee 15. Cost of geometry boxes rupee 85 and the total amount of money Navya has is rupee 50 plus rupees 10 which is rupees 60. So how many more money she need to have to get the geometry boxes? Rupees 85 minus rupees 10 which is 25. Hence she needs rupees 25 more with her to buy the given geometry box which cost rupees 85. Hence answer is option A. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 29. Sakshi bought 78 pencils. She distributed 35 pencils among the poor children and gave 12 pencils to her friends. How many pencils are left with her? Option A 31, option B 29, option C 33, option D 43. So total number of pencils with Sakshi is 78. So and she distributed 35 pencils among the poor children and give 12 pencils to her friends. So the total number of pencils she has given to others is 35 plus 12. That is, what is 35 plus 12? 47. So in out of 78 pencils she has given 47 pencils to poor children and her friends. So what is the remaining pencils with her? 78 minus the 47. So what is 78 minus 47? 31. Answer is option A. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 30. There are 15 fishes in an aquarium. Sahil put 23 more fishes in the same aquarium. How many total fishes are there in the aquarium? A 28, B 38, C 35, D 42. The question says how many total fishes. So whenever there is a total number of total objects, all the computation performed is additions. So when you have a question like how much is left with her and what is remaining, the computation operation you have to use is subtraction. So here they ask us how many total fishes. So 15 fishes was there and then he put 23 more fishes, so it becomes 15 plus 23 which is 38, option B. Question number 31. Arrange the following in descending order and select the correct option. 20 less than 9 tenths, P. 7 tenths, 2 ones minus 5 tenths, Q. 3 tenths less than 62, R. 8 tenths minus 5 tenths, yes. Option A, QSRP. Option B, PSRQ. Option C, QPRS. Option D, PRSQ. So we have to arrange the following in descending order and then select the correct option. Let's find the value of P. 20 less than 9 tenths. So 9 tenths means 90. 20 less than 90 is 70. P equal to 70. Q. 7 tenths, 2 ones minus 5 tenths. So what is 7 tenths, 2 ones? 72 minus 5 tenths. What is 5 tenths? 50. 72 minus 50 is equal to 22. The value of Q equal to 22. R. 3 tenths less than 62. So 3 tenths means 30. 62 minus 30 is, what is 62 minus 30? 32. S. 8 tenths minus 5 tenths. 8 tenths is 80. 5 tenths is 50. So 80 minus 50 is 30. So value of P is 70, Q is 22, R is 32, S is 30. Now we have to arrange the following in the descending order. So what is descending order? Descending order is from big to small. So 70, 32, 30 and 22. Answer is D. P, R, S, Q. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 32. Match the object given in column P with their cost given in column Q and select the correct option. Column P, a toy truck, cost is rupees 82. A toy teddy bear, cost is 95. R, umbrella, cost is rupees 70. In column Q, you can find the cost. 1 rupees 50, 20, 20, a rupees 5 coin. 2 rupees 20, 20, 20 and a rupees 10 coin. 3 rupees 50, 20, rupees 10 and rupees 2 coin. So there are options given accordingly. We have to match the column P with column Q and select the correct option. So let's find out the total cost in column Q. So option 1 in column Q, rupees 50 plus 20 plus 20 plus 5. So it is total is rupees 95. Column Q second one, 20, 20, 20, 10. So it is 70 rupees. And the third option is 50, 20, 10, 2. The total cost is rupees 82. So let's match the column P with column Q. So here the toy truck cost 82. So P can be matched with 3 and then Q 95 and can be matched with option 1 and R rupees 70 which can be matched with option 2. Hence answer is option C. Question number 33. Which of the following sets has same number of objects? The objects are given and they are put it into 4 different sets. And then option A says only Q and R, B says only P and S, C says only P, Q and S and D says all P, Q, R, S. We have to find the sets that has same number of objects. So now we have to find the number of objects in each of the following sets. So what is in set P? How many objects are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So P is 7 objects. Q 4 objects. R 6 objects and S 7 objects. So the sets having the same number of objects is P and S. Answer is option B which says only P and S. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 34. Fill in the blanks and select the correct option. P says if yesterday was Monday then tomorrow will be dash. And Q says if tomorrow will be Sunday then the day before yesterday was dash. Option A says Thursday, Friday, B says Wednesday, Friday, C says Thursday, Thursday and D says Wednesday and Thursday. We have to fill in the blanks and select the correct option. Excuse. find out what is P. If yesterday was Monday and then tomorrow will be dashed. If yesterday was Monday, then what is today? If yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday and then tomorrow will be Wednesday. So the value of P is Wednesday. And let's move on to Q. If tomorrow will be Sunday, then today will be Saturday. And then the day before yesterday was, what is day before yesterday? Thursday. So answer is D, which says Wednesday, Thursday. #35. Observe the given picture carefully and select the correct option. A. Tennis ball is heaviest among the given objects. B. The calendar is lighter than the shoe. And C. The shoes is heavier than the tennis ball. D. Both B and C. So in the picture they show the weight of each of the object. So watch it out and then select the correct option. So here from the picture, the weight of the calendar is 70 gram. The weight of the shoes is 90 gram and weight of the tennis ball is 40 grams. So options A says tennis is the heaviest among the given object. So which is wrong? Where the heaviest is the shoes. B says calendar is lighter than shoes. Calendar weight is 70 gram and shoes weight is 90 gram. So yes, correct. Calendar is lighter than shoes. And C says shoes is heavier than tennis ball. So shoes, the weight of the shoes is 90 gram. The tennis ball is 40. Then C is the correct statement because 90 is heavier, right, than 40 grams. So answer is both B and C, which are the correct statements. With this, we have come to an end of the question paper for the year 2024-25. The question paper was a paper set, was a set B, and this is for the class 1. And please find all the chapter questions related as per the syllabus of SOF. All the best to all the kids who are preparing for the exam.
Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.